In this video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to generate videos, how to create videos using the Canva Video 2.0, which is the latest upgrade or update in Canva. So once you log into your Canva account, you can come over to template over here, and then you can of course be able to come directly to videos. If you want, you can just go ahead and search for videos. You can come to your designs here, and you can be able to see videos directly over here. Okay, so you can just click on videos, and you can see it has rolled out some quick actions like magic animate, premium animations, video background removal, magic media video, and beat sync, captions, popular music, and AI voice, and many more other features. So for now, let's say we're going to create a simple video or landscape with this much size. So we can just click on this first option, for example. Now you can start from scratch if you want to, and you can bring in different kind of media, and you can generate videos even from the AI feature. Now one of the key things that make this video editing upgrade more better is because now you can have multi-layered elements that you can add directly. So for example, I can come to upload over here, and if I like, I can be able to add any content, maybe from a video. Let's say I have this video, I can just drag it in and add it. You see it occupies one layer. I can add in an image as well, so you can come over here, I can drag and drop an image, and you can see it on top of the video, which I can be able to use if I want to resize it, okay, or position it to anywhere of my choice. For example, I can change the position. It's now very possible to do this, and you can add other things like audio as well. You can just click and it's going to add that audio, and you can play around with it. Also, you can move it to any point of your choice. Okay, you can move it to any point of your choice. You can add multiple things. For example, let's say we want to add more things, like more elements. Let's add more videos. Now you can even create you can come to elements, and you can now generate images directly. So you can come over here and just type in generate the image of the cat in the bar drinking coffee. Okay, so now you can generate this, and if you like directly, you can just so you can generate image, and let's say you now add this content to it. Generate the image of a cat in a bar drinking coffee, and let's see what it is going to give us. And you can see we have 4 different types. Okay, and I think I kind of like this one, so we can just click, and you can see we've added it as another layer to this, right? And you can reposition it to whichever place you want, and you can as well play around with it even on the canvas, right? So I like the clarity and the seriousness of the card, right? So you can see we are having multi-layers, and you can move these up if you want to see all the layers that you have. You can keep adding more, but let's go ahead and generate a video to tell you how powerful this can be. So you can come back to elements, okay, so now generate images. Let's say we'll go to here and say generate a video. Okay, so let's put in the same content. Okay, generate the video of a cat drinking coffee in a bar. So let's say we can generate the video over here, and let's just give it some seconds to see what it is going to generate for us. All right, and you can see the video it has just created, so we can click to add it as well into the timeline. And if you like, you can resize it also, or you can move it to any point of your choice, and you can play it to have a preview from here as well.
World. And the scariest part, you rarely notice it happening. But don't look away now, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly modern world. And the scariest part, you rarely notice it happening.
All right, so you can see definitely it is playing, and you can add in as many b-rolls. Okay, and you can go and add in as many b-rolls as you want, and once you're done adding and editing and maybe cutting, joining, and doing all of your editing, streaming and so on, and even splitting, you can just come over to the share button over here, and you can download your video in MP4. Okay, so you can go ahead and download it in MP4. Okay, so this concludes this simple tutorial about the use of the Canva Video 2.0, which is a major upgrade in the Canva platform. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.